So let us go through that purposes. It says to get in-depth knowledge for the company's operation, learn about the key business factors and how these affect one another. So key business factors कौन से हैं, कौन से techniques, कौन से methods हम use कर रहे हैं, and how it is affecting, whether it is affecting the company in a good way, in a bad way. So all this data has to be gathered. Monitor how the business factor change over time, compare their company's performance relative to the competition and to the industry benchmarks. Yani whether their company is performing up to the mark, what is the need in the market, what are the need of the users, are they able to fulfill, are they behind, or they are way ahead, or they are properly maintaining that balance or not. So for all these things, you need to have that data gathered. Customers needs and preferences, that what are customers interested in, what are their choices, what are their preferences, what are the new technologies that are emerging, what are the sales and marketing results, and qualitative level products and services. So ये सब चीजों का proper decision लेके या ये सब चीजों के लिए proper strategy बनाने के लिए ही एक data proper organized manner में होना चाहिए. So ऐसा system या से ऐसा area where you have such data available which is organized, which you can find easily, which you can get easily, which you can use and also you can understand, that is nothing but called as data warehouse. See, this is the desired characteristics of strategic information. So the characteristics says that the data must be integrated, that is it must have a single enterprise wide view, which means you should make sure that your data, even if it is scattered, they are all same, they are updated at a time. Next is data integrity. Integrity is that the data must be accurate and must conform to the business rules. Now whatever data you have, it must be precise, it must be accurate. Accessible, that data is easily accessible at higher levels, that is the executives, managers, whoever they want, they can have access to that data and analyze that data. It should not happen that they are not able to find that data, जैसे हमने previous देखा था, that none of that problems should arise. Next is credible. Every business factor must have one and only one value. Credible in the sense, हर एक business factor पे one value in the sense that it should have a single point of source. That's it. Next is timely. Information must be available within a stipulated time frame, which means that your data, it should not be that you're taking months and years for finding that data. You should have a scheduled time. You should have proper management of the durations. You'll be finding that data and you'll be using that data. So next concern arises is, even if we are having so much of information, then why we talk about information crisis? See, we are faced with two startling facts. First, the organizations have lots of data, which we have seen already. Second, information technology, resources, and systems are not effective at turning all that data into useful strategic information. मतलब दो important facts है यहाँ पे. पहला तो सबको पता है कि organizations के पास बहुत सारा data होता है. Second fact is, even though you are having lots and lots of data, the technology or say the industry is not having that strong technology or say resources and systems which are using or say converting that data so that it can be analyzed and उसी data से हम कोई decision ले सके, क्योंकि सारा information at random scattered way में कहीं पे भी कैसे भी आधा अधूरा सा stored रहता है. So ऐसा data is not useful for making any plans or making any strategy, you see. So turning that data into useful information is very necessary, which each organization lacks. Lots and lots of information exist. Then why do we talk about information crisis? So obviously बात है, sorry, when we talk that organizations के पास बहुत सारा data है, hell lot of information exists, then why are we talking about information crisis? Information crisis is कि information नहीं मिल रहा है, इसके ऊपर information ही नहीं है, ये data ही नहीं मिल रहा है. So ये चीजें क्यों होती है? This happens because of lack of sufficient data. This happens not because of lack of sufficient data, but because the available data is not readily usable for strategic decision making. यानी ऐसा नहीं है कि sufficient data नहीं है, data बहुत ज्यादा है, more than sufficient, but that data is not readily available. यानी वो data को process करना पड़ेगा, उसको proper organized way में रखना पड़ेगा. You have to make sure that there are no half information. You have full information, full data needed gathered correctly. So based on that only strategic decisions can be made. because we do not have data available at hand, यानी सब होते हुए भी वो ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर्म में नहीं होता है, इसीलिए इंफॉर्मेशन क्राइसिस टेक्स प्लेस. Next, we are coming to operational versus decision support system. So, what is operational system? What is decision support system? Let us see that. The fundamental reason for the ability to provide strategic information is that we have been trying all along to provide strategic information from the operational systems. Now, as we say, reason for inability to provide strategic information, यानी डेटा होते हुए भी हम कोई strategic information उसमें से क्यों नहीं derive कर पा रहे, या उसमें से क्यों हम कोई decision या strategy नहीं कर पाते या decisions नहीं ले पाते हैं, because जो भी information अपने पास है, that is all for the operational systems. Operational systems like order processing, inventory control, claims processing, outpatient billing, and so on. So these type of data are not designed or intended to provide strategic information. यानी इनका जो ऊपर ऊपर का सबका डेटा होता है, इसके बेसिस पे हम कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले सकते. यानी आज इसने इतना खरीदा, कल इसने इतने कॉस्ट का खरीदा, टोटल ऑफ 200 items bought today, total of 500 items bought today. So this cannot be used to make your marketing decisions or say marketing strategy properly. सो अगर ऐसा कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए बिकॉज ऑफ विच हम स्ट्रैटेजी या डिसीजंस बना सके, कोई अच्छे से ले सके, सो इन दैट केस वी नीड टू हैव एक ऐसा सपोर्ट सिस्टम जिसमें सिर्फ हम ऐसा डेटा स्टोर करें डिटेल में जो डेटा एनालाइज करने के लिए या जो डेटा स्टडी करने के लिए काम आए. एंड दैट स्टडी डेटा विल हेल्प अस टू मेक प्रॉपर डिसीजंस, विल हेल्प अस टू प्लान ऑल टुगेदर अ गुड स्ट्रैटेजी. So that's why decision support systems are needed. Now, see, operational data means, for example, क्या क्या रहता है, यानी डिफरेंस क्या है कि ऑपरेशनल डेटा कैसा होता है और इंफॉर्मेशनल डेटा कैसा होता है. ऑपरेशनल डेटा में डेटा कंटेंट में क्या रहता है, करंट वैल्यूज, यानी कितने कितना सामान खरीदा है, व्हाट आइटम्स दे हैव बॉट, फॉर व्हाट कॉस्ट दे हैव बॉट, एंड सो ऑन. इंफॉर्मेशन में क्या होता है, इट इज आर्काइव. आर्काइव मतलब इट इज स्टोर्ड दैट the patterns ki over the period of 6 months, over the period of 10 months, what they have been buying, what are their needs, what items the customer is looking for, or what are the preferences for the customers, all that. Next is the data structure. Data structure, over here it is optimized for transactions. यानी ये ऐसे data structure रहता है operational environment में जहाँ पे day to day basis पे और से transactions जो भी needed रहता है for the current buying and selling, जो भी टेम्पररी डेटा रहता है, सो नॉर्मल डेटा स्ट्रक्चर या whichever is cheap or whichever is like easily available, that kind of data structure is stored, whereas it is optimized for complex queries in informational system. ऑप्टिमाइज फॉर कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेरीज मतलब हेल लॉट ऑफ डेटा एग्जिस्ट और कहीं से भी कितने भी साल का कोई भी डेटा प्रॉपरली एक क्वेरी स्ट्रक्चर के फॉर्म में यू कैन रिट्राइव इट, बिकॉज द डेटा इन इंफॉर्मेशनल सिस्टम्स और से इन डिसीजन सपोर्ट सिस्टम आर स्टोर्ड इन वेरी प्रॉपर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर. हियर एक्सेस फ्रीक्वेंसी इज हाई, हियर इट इज मीडियम टू लो, क्योंकि ये करंट डेटा है यानी डे टू डे बेसिस पे होता है, इसके लिए इसका एक्सेस बहुत ज्यादा होता है, लेकिन ये डेटा ज्यादा काम का नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे जो एक्सेस होता है वो मीडियम टू लो, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द नीड्स ऑफ व्हाई यू नीड इट एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट. एक्सेस टाइप इज रीड अपडेट डिलीट. यहाँ पे एक्सेस टाइप सिर्फ और सिर्फ रीड होता है. यूसेज प्रेडिक्टेबल रेपिटेटिव, इट इज एडहॉक रैंडम ह्यूरिस्टिक. क्यों? क्योंकि अगर डेटा स्टोर्ड नहीं रहा प्रॉपरली तो रैंडमली डेटा कहीं ना कहीं स्कैटर्ड रहेगा, सो वी हैव टू गैदर इट टुगेदर. रेस्पॉन्स टाइम सब सेकेंड्स, सेवरल सेकेंड्स टू मिनट्स. ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि यहाँ पे करंट डेटा ही स्टोर होता है तो जल्दी से मिल जाता है. यहाँ पे बहुत सालों का डेटा होता है, बहुत क्वांटिटी में होता है, so it might take थोड़ा time. Users, here large numbers, relatively small numbers. Obviously large number of users need current data कि अभी क्या हुआ, 10 दिन पहले क्या हुआ, but only a few might need a data before not 10 days but for 10 years. So this was the difference between operational systems and decision support systems. So decision support system is basically necessary for having a good information sorted form way. So that decision support system is nothing but called as data warehousing. So why data warehousing is the solution we are telling. So data warehousing is the solution because in this data warehouse system, or say in this data warehousing, we are only keeping that data which we need to study to analyze and to make decisions. Hence, it is also called